In this episode, we're going to be transforming our Christmas decor into a Valentine's Day space. Let's get started. All right, so all of this has to come down, although when I put this up, I had envisioned how to transform it into a Valentine's Day space. So certain things I'm going to keep. In fact, a lot of it I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep this. I think this will do well in the February time frame. I love this. I really don't want to take it down. So I'm going to think of a way to keep these. I'm going to think of a way to keep these trees. But some of the super Christmas items have to go. Like all of this and the ladder, and of course there are no stockings for Valentine's Day, so all of this will have to go as well. I'm clearing out the space. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. So I found these. These are called Love and Cupcakes, and it's 6-foot garland. And I thought about it because it has that same sparkle that these tall trees have. I don't know what you call them, but I just love them. And I found these, and they were similar. I got these from Home Goods for $12.99 each. I know that's not cheap, but I couldn't resist. Since it had the same type of design that these had. Although you probably could make them if you had the time and the talent. But as for me, I paid money. I paid the money, but I think I'll have these for a long time. So we'll see how it looks. I also found these at the dollar store. So they weren't $1. They were, I think, $5 each. The dollar store has changed. They now sell items for more than $1, so these I believe for $5. Let's see. Let's see what these can do. Yeah, I like those a lot. I'm actually going to remove these. And I will probably be returning these to Home Goods. All right, so I purchased some other things from Target. And I just love this. I thought this was so cute. It made me think that every day you could write notes to the kids and they would see it up here. So, and they have a piece of chalk, which I think is cool. So I like this. I'm gonna put that. Hold on, let me try something. Okay, so we have that. And I bought this. Again from Target. There was a little issue with this, so they actually gave me this for $2. So I'm going to put that there. And maybe I'll get some glitter and match this to this. So I purchased these from Home Goods. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, and so that's why I kept the tag on. I was like, I might take these back, but I have an idea. So these were $9.99 each. So as you know, I hate fake flowers. I do. But these look really good. I got them from Walmart. I like how they have the baby's breast in between. I added this greenery, which smells really good too. This vase, I think it was only $3. So I'm gonna add this as my main piece here. I really like that. Honestly, I'm not crazy about that heart though on the side, so I'll probably be taking that back. This sign, which is one that I already had up on my TV stand, but I think I'll move it to this setup, and it says, I still remember the days I prayed for the things I have now. And it has a little heart on it, and if anything signifies love, I think this does. So I think I'll put that there.
And here's our question of the day. Are you planning to decorate this Valentine's Day season? Let us know down in the comments.
So my plan was to hang up this picture or another picture. There's a picture in Kirkland's that I absolutely fell in love with, but it's $99. And I just thought that was way too expensive. This was only $15, and I got this from Home Goods. I think it's pretty cool. I just don't feel that the mantle needs anything else. I feel it's complete. It's simple. But we're talking about Valentine's Day. This is not Christmas anymore. It's understated, which I like. And there's not many elements to take down when it's time to deconstruct for spring. So I'm happy with it. And I'm not going to add this, although I think it's lovely. I just don't think it necessarily goes with the decor. And again, I think it's pretty complete as is. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.